Hey everyone, I want to show you really quickly how to import Groove Scribe exercises into the composer so you can turn them into Drum Tutor lessons. The way you do that is you go into the Drum Tutor, you can start with a new lesson or you can edit an existing lesson, and in my case I'm going to go to my library and I'm going to edit the drummertools demo lesson. I've got an import button up here, so I'm going to click that. And let's take a look at the file then that we want to import. Basically, you're going to want to create a text file, and you want to copy all of your Groove Scribe exercises into this text file one line at a time. So you'll see here, this is a typical URL or link for a Groove Scribe exercise. Now you want to make sure that this is the full URL and not a shortened URL. Groove Scribe will actually let you shorten the URL so you can share it on social media, which is super handy, but in this case we need the full thing so that Drum Tutor can parse all of the information. So I copied all of my grooves into this text file and I've saved it as grooves.txt. We'll go back here and choose a file, and I called it grooves.txt. We'll open that. And it tells you at the top 6 items were imported. And now if I look at my exercise drop down, you'll see I have 8 exercises in the drummertools demo lesson instead of just 2. So now I can click on any of these and I can see my grooves, I can play them, I can adjust them, update them, delete them, anything that I want to do. So importing exercises from Groove Scribe is just that easy.